Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Chevrolet display. In just a few moments, we'll be starting our presentation here in the theater. Therefore, feel free to grab a seat. You can charge your electronic and mobile devices. We're going to talk all things trucks in just a few moments, so stay tuned. Now, with over 100 years of expertise, 85 million trucks later, and part of a family of award-winning trucks, Chevrolet continues to raise the bar, having now built the strongest, most advanced heavy-duty Silverado ever, introducing the all-new 2020 Silverado HD. Now, trained to meet the needs of HD customers, our all-new Silverado was designed to make the day-to-day work and interactions with your truck easy and convenient. In fact, with a very sculpted exterior design, it shares only the roofline with our Silverado Light Duty, while all other pieces of sheet metal are exclusive. Now, in addition to that, it offers you two engine options, which includes the new 6.6-liter, that's a gas engine V8 with direct injection. Then, of course, there is our legendary duramax 6.6-liter turbo diesel. Now, that's going to give you, of course, with that Allison 10-speed transmission, giving you an impressive 910 pound-foot of torque. What's even more impressive, it results in increased towing and payload capability with a max trailer of up to 35,500 pounds, which is actually the best in class. Now, in addition to that, our Silverado HD was redesigned with customer-focused trailering technology, which includes larger, more functional door-mounted trailer mirrors. In addition to that, you have more perimeter lighting, and of course, an integrated bed step, and a larger corner step that makes getting in and out of your cargo box quite easy and convenient. But of course, it didn't just stop there. Chevrolet continued to raise the bar when it came to our Silverado Light Duty. Now, of course, that vehicle was also redesigned from the ground up for improved efficiency, performance, capability, and durability. In fact, it boasts a bold design, larger wheelbase by 4 inches, allowing for more space and comfort. In addition, you have the new Durbed. Now, this Durbed is the most functional bed of any pickup, with, of course, best-in-class cargo volume. Now, it features things like a high-strength steel box, 12 standard corner tie-downs, a large corner step for ease of entry, an available 120-volt outlet, cargo box lighting to assist you while you work, and, of course, our segment-exclusive power tailgate down and up, which is actually standard on our high country and an available option on our LTZ. Now, speaking of trim levels, the Light Duty comes with 8 new trim levels to suit every customer's lifestyle and your utility needs. So whether it's the basic functionality of your work truck, or the refined comfort of your high country, or the aggressive capability of the Trail Boss, there is something for everyone. Now, of course, it comes with 6 engine and transmission combinations, and also the new dynamic fuel management system. Now, this system pretty much allows you to operate 17 different patterns of cylinder deactivation to help optimize your power and efficiency for the vehicle. But of course, it also will be available in a 3-liter inline-6 duramax turbo diesel with a 10-speed transmission. You also have 4 different drive mode selectors to assist you while you're driving in various terrains and, of course, road conditions. In addition to that, you have your advanced trailer and camera system. Now you have features like auto park brake assist, your hitch guidance with a hitch key, and an advanced trailer and camera package that actually gives you that 270-degree view, giving you the confidence to tow and trail just about anything, anywhere, at any time. Now, of course, we can't talk about all this and not talk about safety. Our #1 priority here at Team Chevrolet. It's designed with a suite of 14 advanced safety options, driver assist technologies like rear camera mirror, and of course heads-up display. And once you're on the inside, you won't want to get out. In addition to all of the comfort and convenience, you have connectivity on the go. Features like Wi-Fi, 4G LTE, OnStar, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, all providing very simple and intuitive ways for you to use your smartphone while you're in your vehicle. So you can see with our Silverado Heavy Duty and our Light Duty, it definitely builds upon our iconic legacy of building the most dependable, longest-lasting full-size pickup trucks that are currently on the road. I'd like to thank you so much for your time and attention. My name's Eva. I'd be more than happy and delighted to answer any questions you may have. We also have a host of knowledgeable product specialists that are on the floor to further assist you. Also, for all of our Chevy truck owners, We would love to sign you up for our Chevy Truck Legends program. It's a way to say thank you as we commemorate our centennial of 100 years of building the most dependable, longest lasting full-size pickup trucks. And I'm sure you're wondering, how are you eligible to be a truck legend? Well, if you currently own a Chevy truck 100,000 miles or more, or you've ever owned 2 or more Chevy trucks, please definitely stick around and see myself or any of our great product specialists. We'd love to sign you up. As always, thank you for your time, and once again, welcome to Chevrolet.
Is it possible to see the engine? Can't open it? Do we know what the pricing is?
It'll be on the